The West Central Africa Division of Seventh-day Adventists was established in 2003. Its headquarters are in Abidjan and Côte d'Ivoire, also known as the Ivory Coast. It includes the following countries:
Benin and Burkina Faso,
Cameroon and Cape Verde,
Central African Republic and Chad,
Ivory Coast and Equatorial Guinea,
Gambia and Gabon,
Ghana and Guinea,
Guinea-Bissau and Liberia,
Niger and the Republic of the Congo, Mali and Mauritania,
Sierra Leone.
This quarter, we will learn about children and young people from Cameroon, Bon Sabbath, and Ghana. Omidapa. That is how you say Happy Sabbath in those countries. We will learn what they are doing as missionaries to help others learn more about God. The 13th Sabbath offering this quarter will go to help 1. Build a church in Valley View University in Ghana. 2. Provide a science building at Kondasai Adventist University in Cameroon. 3. Provide children's schools supplies to give out as evangelist tools throughout the division. So let us continue to pray for our brothers and sisters of the West Central Africa Division. And on the 13th Sabbath, let us bring a generous offering to help those projects to be a success. Amen. Amen.
The West Central Africa Division is home to about 329,647,000 people, almost 835,000 of whom are Seventh-day Adventists. That's a ratio of 1 Adventist for every 395 people.